English mode activated. Hello and welcome to my first unboxing video and English video. Sorry for my English, but I'm trying to learn German as my third language. Inside I have a joying Android unit. Let's see what's inside the box. A greeting card, a manual for how to set up your joying smartphone. Let's take a look inside the manual. Here we have two methods of wiring, one where you use the CAN bus decoder and one where you don't use it. If you don't have a rear view camera, you'll have to cut the orange cable. Let's see what cables are in the box. This is the main adapter that connects the car connector to the joying unit. This unit is designed as plug and play. This is the red wire and you have to connect it to ACC wire if you don't use the decoder. This one is for a rear view camera. If you have one, use it. If not, buy one. Auxiliary in, left and right. Should I say that this is the decoder? Of course, a cable for your radio antenna, depending on your car configuration. And the last one, a wire for your amplifier. And the connector for the joying Android unit. Here we have the adapter for radio's antenna. For the rear view camera, you can also use these cables. For the built-in 4G model, you have to use this antenna. This is the other radio adapter, depending on the car's configuration. And the external microphone. You can install this one for calls. Oh, let's not forget the GPS antenna. On top we have the joining wire connection. Here you can see what the wires are for. On the back side we have on left one USB and one SIM slot. If you insert a SIM card, you can make or receive calls and access the internet. On the other side we have the Wi-Fi antennas and a second USB port, plus an external microphone. This is the GPS connector, and on left is the 4G connector. Now let's see how the front side looks. Sadly, this version comes without a CD player. The silver buttons are looking a little bit cheap, but overall the unit looks okay. That's all for today. Let me know what do you think about the latest joining Android unit. I hope you will come back for the next part where we will try to mount this thing. Bis bald!